Progress yesterday and this morning. This is what it looks like. Basically all my clothes are away. I just need to buy more hangers and I need to buy hooks so I can hang this thing up there to put like t-shirts on and stuff. But other than that, all my clothes are basically away. Today I organized my shoes down there and up here and over to there. I organized this little shelf. And basically all I have left is to get the decorative stuff and organize that, hang up paintings and all my decorations. But yeah, we've made a lot of progress. The floor is finally clear. So that's where I'm at. This morning I worked on it a little bit when I woke up, and then I went to the gym and made breakfast with my boyfriend, but I think I'm gonna try and make a little more progress, and then today I think I'm gonna buy some things I need and buy some groceries. But let me show you the living room because it still has a lot of stuff. But yeah, the living room still has a ton, as you can see. So I think my main goal today is gonna be to get that cleared out and figure out where we're putting all that furniture that I brought from my sister's place. This lighting is horrible. That is the plan as of right now. But yeah, I'll keep you guys posted and keep rolling the B-roll so you guys can see what other progress I make today. So this is all the progress that I made today. I think I'm going to stop for now because I want to take a shower, and I think I'm gonna organize the kitchen now, and I'm gonna take some things into the kitchen So I would show that on this vlog, but I think it's gonna take a while and I feel like that won't be as interesting. So I think I'm just gonna do that and not include that in this vlog. But if you guys are interested in seeing like how the kitchen turns out or the rest of my apartment, then definitely just let me know in the comments. And I will do a separate video that's like an apartment tour or something once it's all set up. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you want to see that. I think I'm gonna stop the vlog for now because I'm done with my room for the day. So I will see you guys tomorrow when I continue finishing my room. Okay, it's now day 4 of setting up my room. And I think today is gonna be the last day because all I have left to do is hang up my decorations and stuff. So I think I'm gonna film that and then end the vlog today because tomorrow's my birthday and today I just wanna get everything finished. So stay tuned for that. I'm just gonna show you guys me hanging up the decor and pulling this place together. So I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, I had to charge my camera for a second, but I've made a little more progress on hanging things, so I'll show you guys in a second, but I'm gonna keep hanging some things on the walls. I hung this over here, and now I'm gonna hang another painting over top. So I set up this little section over here, and over here I'm gonna hang some jewelry racks. I just need John's help. And then over here I hung those 2 up. I hung that, and now I'm gonna put that right there as soon as John comes to help me. And yeah, it's coming together really nicely. So I just hung up all my jewelry. John hung these up for me, and then I put my rings up here, earrings here, and then necklaces. And then down here I have like studs and all my perfume. Over here I put the jewelry that I wear more often. And then John hung this art piece up for me. So that looks great. And then there's that over there. And then now I'm just gonna hang those up there, and then I'm probably gonna take a break for the day. That's what we've gotten done today. It's coming together so nicely and I'm so happy. All I really have left to hang are these 3, and I might wait until I get my bed so I know how high to put them. But other than that, I'm pretty much done hanging things. I need to hang some shelves over there, but I think I'm gonna take a break. I need to go grocery shopping, so I might be done for the day, or I might do more later. So I will fill you guys in when I'm working on my room next. I don't know if that's going to be later today or if it's going to be tomorrow, but I will see you then.